Here I have TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. So what can you do in this kind of miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then swipe power off. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see TECNO logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up. Just like this. When you see this Android robot laying down, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option Wipe Data Factory Reset. Then select Factory Data Reset. And after you see the message Data Wipe complete, select the first option Reboot System Now, and your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.